What's up guys, it's EDV and today we'll see part 2 about railroad switches or turnouts. In the last video we have seen real size railroad switch, its purpose and its part. In this video a scale model will show us a slight action of rail switches when a train uses it. Now let's see the part of it. Here we see is a throw bar, switch points, guardrails, railroad frag or heart of rail, and two stock rails. Let's see how it works. Let's see. Locomotive is running in straight direction. Let's go back. Let's turn the switch. Now the train is switching tracks. Let's go back. Turn the switch back. And that's it. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. See you next time.